to my channel. I'm Becca. I hope you all are doing great. So for today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a unboxing. So Boxycharm sent me their June base box and I thought it would be nice to do a unboxing here. I typically do them on my Instagram, so I'm still gonna post over there like an application and photos of the products, so you can go ahead and check that as well. But for this month, I'm gonna be doing the unboxing here. So this is the box, and like I said, I received this on a monthly basis, and this is the $25 subscription box. With this one you get 5 full-size products and the value price is $175, so that's really nice, and I'm really excited to see what they sent for this month. So let's get started. They always have like a theme, and I think that's really nice. And you also fill out like a quiz and all that so that they know which products you want to get, and it's more personalized, so I think that's always nice. And the thing for this month, it's Dare to Dazzle. So they sent this card and it has all the info of the products and prices. I'm really excited to see which products they send, and I always look for like skincare, and I like that there's always like a variation of products. So let's start and see what they sent for this month. So the first product I have here, it's by Glam Glow. So this is a Super Cleanse Cleaning Cream to Foam cleanser. And I have tried a face mask, I believe, from this brand, and it was really nice. And I do use a cleanser on almost like every day. So I think it's gonna be really interesting to try this one. This one retails for $32, and it's meant to detoxify the skin and removing excess oil and all that. So I'm really excited to try this one. And the next product I have here, it's from NARS. So this is the first time that I receive a NARS product on my box, and that's really nice. So this is a velvet matte lipstick pencil, and this is how it looks like. I have used this product before, and it was really nice. So this is a matte lip pencil, and let's see, beautiful color. I think it's gonna be perfect for summer. So this one retails for $27, and it's a long-lasting formula, and it has vitamin E, so it's really nice, and I think I'm gonna definitely be using this one. I do love this kind of color, so that's gonna be lovely. So let's see what else they sent. So I see here another skincare product, and this one is by Aciology. So this is a overnight lip mask. This is a product, and it retails for $19, which I think it's a good price point. And I do love using a lip mask just because I have sensitive dry skin and my lips tend to get dried. So I'm really excited to try this one. So I'm gonna be definitely giving this one a go, and I do want to see how it works and all that. So I'm definitely gonna update you on my Instagram, and let's see what else they sent. And I also got this product. So this one is a makeup palette. So this is the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Gluteant Makeup Palette, and this is how it looks like. It looks really pretty. I love the packaging. Let me open it up. And it has such a beautiful color. This is a multi-face palette, and it has a bronzer and blush and highlighter, so it's really pretty. This one retails for $34. And the last product I have for the base box is this one by Jecca Block. This is a hydrating primer, and this is how it looks like. So this one retails for $20, and it's a primer that it's meant to moisturize and hydrate the skin. So I think that's really nice. I haven't tried this brand, so this is gonna be a new one to try. That's something I love about the boxes, is that you always get to try new products. So those were all the products they sent for the month of June, and I always like that they send a variety of products from skincare and makeup. I have found some of my favorite products through the boxes, so I'm always excited to try them, and I'm going to be updating you on Instagram. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box so you can subscribe and get your Boxycharm as well. You can go and check my Instagram and TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye.